Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Verlee and I am back. You guys, I know it's been a minute, but today I am back to do a wig review for you guys. So this was provided by UGlam hair products. They gave me a few little goodies inside and were nice enough to put a weave cap in for me, which it comes in a nude color. Also, they put the coupon codes in and how to take care of your wigs. So I'm going to get into bleaching the knots on this wig. I use 30 volume developer with the blue lightener powder, and right here I'm going to start mixing everything together. You know, I hate voiceovers, but here we go. And so you're going to continue to mix this in, and you want to keep it thick and make sure it has a nice consistency. So then I didn't have the right utensil, so excuse my plastic, but then I was spreading it all over the front of the wig, and you want to make sure you just place it on there. Do not dab it into the roots, because that's how you will get hot roots, and you do not want hot roots. So I let it sit for about 35 minutes, and I had forgot about it, and then I ended up checking on it. So now I'm starting the process of laying my wig. I took my free spray and sprayed it across there, so that's why it looks darker at the top, or like it's been sprayed with something. That's because I did spray it. And I'm cutting all of the excess lace off. I'm pretty sure you all have seen multiple videos on how to lay lace frontals, but you know, I pretty much do it the same way that everybody else does it. So of course, with this free spray, when cutting the cap, you want to make sure you're framing it to your hairline and then cutting it to where you can't see it through the lace. So next, I'm just laying down those rough edges, respraying the cap with some free spray. Now I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer, and I know y'all could see where my lace was moving back a little bit, but it's fine if it does that. I ended up pulling it up a little bit and respraying it, especially in the center part, and then I started applying my foundation, of course. Next, I'm going to size the wig cap, and I ended up cutting the excess lace off of the side and framing it to my ears. And you want to make sure you keep a little bit of lace on. That's why you see me trying to take my time at least to take the lace off, and that's what that's gonna look like. Bam. I did not pluck this frontal, you guys, but I did end up plucking it a little bit. You want to make sure you get all of the makeup and the excess dirt that you may have on your face, so that the wig can lay nice and flat. Also, I am using the Ghost Blonde glue, and here I go again with my plastic. And this way is really helpful, you guys, because it makes sure that the glue is evenly distributed. I always like to start in the middle with laying my wigs down, just because it gets easier once you lay the middle down, and you can just end up putting some glue in the corner and then attaching that down first and then pulling the other sides of the wig down. So I always start in the middle. You also want to make sure you blow dry this glue until it gets a little bit clear, just so it can get tacky and it'll be easier to lay down. So sorry that I was moving over. I just am not used to recording on camera and laying a wig down, so this is something new for me. And as you can see, I'm just taking my rat tail comb and trying to pat it in that glue, and you know what I'm saying, get it in that glue, moving all that hair out the way so nothing will get stuck. And this is what I mean by hitting that corner and then pulling the side down. And lastly, I wanted to wrap my hair, and then boom, there it is. I did not create baby hairs for this wig, you guys. I don't really like baby hairs. I'm not a big baby hair fan, so I just ended up leaving the wig like this. And once I come back and actually review this wig for you guys, you'll definitely see a difference on how it looks now versus how it looks in the video. And then I just took some water I put in a bottle, sprayed it on there, and then started brushing out the curls because of course y'all know I love big hair. So I'll be back to give y'all an update on how this hair is holding up. And I just want to thank UGlam hair products for sending me this wig. All the links will be down below just like always, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in so much. And I'm gonna be back so I can tell y'all why I'm quitting YouTube because I know y'all been wondering where I've been, but it's been a struggle, y'all. So stay tuned for the next video.